Alright folks, in today's video I want to bring you another unlocking method. We're going to teach you how to unlock the pattern password on your Samsung A12 by doing a hard reset in case you've forgotten the password, okay? In some cases, you'll need to connect the USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything else. So just follow along with the video and you'll be able to do it too. What do you need to do? Press the volume down and power buttons together at the same time until it restarts. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. The Samsung name will appear on the screen and keep holding the power button. Release the volume down and press the volume up as I mentioned. Wait, hold on. Release the power button. Keep holding the volume up until it enters recovery mode. Let's wait here for a few seconds until the device enters recovery mode as we mentioned. If you need to connect the cable, we repeat the same procedure, okay? If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and also leave your thumbs up, which will help us a lot. We didn't need the cable, so what we are going to do here is scroll down by pressing the volume down button to the fifth option that says data, factory and reset, and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down with the volume down button and confirm again. On this next screen, we'll wait for the information to complete. Let's go. Just a few more seconds. Once it's completed, we confirm with the power button. Your device is being unlocked, formatted and restored to the original factory settings. If this video helped you and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description, no matter what the amount is. The important thing is your help and support, your gratitude. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.